you need to mix in the flour so it doesn't go everywhere.
So what are you making with that now? What's that going to be? What's that called when you mix it all together?
The batter.
Exactly. Well done.
Because if you didn't mix this in with it, it would probably go everywhere and it would be very messy. That looks pretty good.
That's it. Good.
And now we're going to mix for about 10 to 15 seconds on a high speed for me, because that works better. And you're going to do it until there's no lumps and it's more soft, I guess. Do a little check on it. No, I think it needs more.
So you don't want any lumps in it at all, guys.
And it's okay if it has bubbles. You don't want to do it too much that there's no bubbles left, because then it won't be a good batter and it'll just go. Ready by now, and we're going to turn the frying pan on full speed and wait for it to heat up, and we're finished mixing the batter together, and now we are going to put it onto the pan. But first you can use canola oil or butter, but I think canola oil is safer because butter can burn, and the canola oil or butter is going to keep it from sticking, and when it sticks it's not good.
So how much do you normally do here?
Not too big, because then it's harder to flip, so about, not a pie clip, but...
Just 1 spoon?
Normally 2, to make it too big. Not to make it too big, and yeah. And then you spread it out a tiny bit. Yeah, kind of like that. But you don't want them touching.
No.
Oh God, they're touching!
They'll be right. So now what do we wait for?
We wait for them to bubble on top, because that's how you know that they're probably going to be ready. And then you put them in. They're now ready, and we are going to put them onto the plate.
I'll grab a plate here.
Now we're going to take the pan off the frying pan. Today I'm going to be adding lemon juice and honey.
Yeah. Right guys, that's this episode done. You can grab more recipes on our website www.godsoffood.com.au/blog, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!